Just 1 second. Sorry, the hand is in IK in mine. And second is, can I add stretch when it's of convenience to me?
No,
Not
very,
what?
very minor thing can be added, but it's avoided to have stretch because it changes the volume of your hand.
Because for like I in at least mine waitress, I have the upper leg and the lower leg stretch. I have two different controls.
That's what I said, that you should never stretch. What happens is then you don't know, sometimes this leg is short, this leg is long. That happens. That goes off your balance. Can you actually stretch your leg in reality?
No, because she's when I'm making her squat down, her knee doesn't touch the ground.
So you will have to adjust it according to the hip and all. It will happen. It is just you will have to make some conscious efforts, but it will happen. I know it
Okay.
will happen, but thoda sa you will have to look it into that how you can make that happen. If what
And
things you need to rotate.
also the hand when she's going behind, like that's it.
Hmm.
Like her hands also. I mean, she doesn't have enough length. Or then what do I do for that?
Whatever the hand length is, that is the actual length. You don't have to stretch and show that the hands are ahead. हाथ जितना बड़ा है उतना ही रहेगा. इफ आई एम पुशिंग समथिंग, मेरे हाथ जितने उतना ही पुश कर सकता हूँ, उससे ज्यादा पुश नहीं होगा मुझसे. गेटिंग इट? आई कैन मैक्सिमम गो टू माई फिंगर टिप्स फॉर पुशिंग, उसके आगे नहीं जाएगा. सो
So
द
should I?
सेम.
Sorry.
यस, यस.
So should I keep the initial pose a little more ahead? Because
यस,
just you understood, right?
यस. You can have more feeling of more shifting the table.
Okay.
Getting it? If it is from, if it is so close, then you will have more pressure to push that away instead of you are doing from here. If I'm pushing it from here, that means it's not so heavy. If you are doing something like this, that means it's heavy. You're trying to push it with lot of pressure. And it's okay if you are here and if you're pushing it here, it's okay till here. No need to stretch the hands and show that bahut dur chale gaya. Okay. You have to adjust your body according to your hand length. You cannot have the length increased, no matter its hand or no matter its legs or no matter its chest also. If we are doing something comic, then that is a different part. The way I showed you the short film, right? Wake up call. So in that, that's a comic thing. वहां पे stretch करना is logical. But normal animation में, if the animation is normal, then it's not recommended. Suppose if you would have done something cartoonish, अगर इसमें कुछ फनी किया होता, मस्त ऐसे स्ट्रेच धक्का मारा है, कुछ और थॉट्स ले आते, देन हम सोच सकते थे स्ट्रेच कोच करने का, हैंड्स और बॉडी में भी.
Okay. Thank you.